Hey, thought I'd give day 7 another crack, seeing as I realised what a knob I was being. Yeah, it turns out reading the documentation is quite important and not making assumptions. um, so yeah, let's go back to a terminal. So I was doing this bit right, so do SSH, value domain IP, start machine. Get rid of the toasts. THM. I've set up my keyboard properly as well now, so I've got English layout. Not doing random button presses anymore. So what do we reckon the IP is going to be? 10.10.143.55. Let's see. Oh, no idea. Right, 02.171 -P4222. I've got to wait. It seems to take a little while for all the services to start on this one. .10.10.10. So we're on the VPN. 2.171 in the host. Just wait for SSH to start. Oh, it's looking better. No. It's like 3 minutes of just waiting for the bloody SSH to start. There we go. Right, finally. 3 minutes delay between starting the machine and getting somewhere. Alright, so we've got user was THM, password is TryHackMe. Welcome to Ubuntu, Mongo. Mongo shell. Can you see what I'm typing? That's over my head. Alright, so show databases. That showed what I was looking at before. Use flag DB. And then this is a bit I didn't do. If we scroll down a little bit. Didn't read this bit. I read this on the Mongo docs. So what I should have done yesterday was db dot not create collection. We want. Again, I'm not reading the fucking docs. Does it say? Is it not actually on here? That might be why I skipped it. It was get collection names. So it's shown in the screenshot. Is that it? Yeah, okay, so that's... I feel slightly less dumb now. I was kind of expecting an explainer to tell you how to do that. So get collection names as a function. So we know the column is called flag col. So we do db.flag col.find. And now if we do that, you get the ID. I can select stuff. Right, so what's that flag? We discussed how to bypass the login pages as an admin. Can you log into the application that Grinch controls as admin and retrieve the flag? So need the web login for that. So it's going to be admin. It's saying, so just like make a login request, tamper with the input, no, not the input, the actual variable to invert. Proxy. Actually, this is better, so we can do the open browser on here. To apparently. Right, forward. So we can live there. So admin, password. Get the request. So usually you do like or 1 equals 1 because it's no SQL. We can tamper with this bit. Does not equal password. Forward. This logs us in. Don't save because it's not correct. It's the flag. Turn this off now. Flag is that. Once you're logged in, use the GIF search page to get all usernames that have a guest role. So, dashboard, search. on. So we're going to be searching for just a guest. So we're getting username, guest, and role user. So we want role equals guest. Username, we're not going to know what that is. So we say does not equal. Oh, we want like any, don't we? So this would be regex equals dot star. Yeah, sweet. So list all usernames that have guest role. What is the flag there? Use the GIF search page to perform an SQL injection and retrieve McSkiddy record. What is the detail of this record? So same search again. This time we want McSkiddy. The role user. Right. McSkiddy. Role is, well, we know it's not a user, so it does not equal user. Username not found. Oh, double D, that's why. Let's do 1D forward. Still not found. McSkiddy, skiddy. Let's just do this one again. Dollar regex. Everything forward. It's better. Alright, so that admin. The whole record is the pass. Submit. Hey, well, that was quite easy actually. So yeah, I think it said above here what the types were. So like regex, if you know regular expression, makes that a lot easier. If a record exists based on a JavaScript condition greater than a value does not equal. Does it have less than as well? Wait. Mongo less than. Yes, it does. Nice. Cool. Yeah, so it's good little operators on there that you can play with. Cool, I'm up to date now, done them all. Apart from today's one, that won't come out till like later on, so we'll do that on Tuesday. Terminate, get rid of that. I'm so annoyed at myself just because of that. get collection's name. If anyone else gets stuck with day 7, just remember to do that. Get the collection name, and don't be an idiot like me and say db.flagdb, because that's not correct. There's no one to raid, it's too early, no one's streaming on Saturday. Yeah, that's it for me. Just wanted to catch up on day 7, so thanks if you joined, or if you're catching this on the VOD. I'll catch you later.